boys and girls. We have Emma. Emma, you didn't change. Oh, you changed it. Oh, it's a very weird cat. 啊，今天是一只奇怪的小猫咪了，对吧 Okay, the background, so nothing weird today. Okay, so let's take a look at how's your last week's homework. It's good. Okay, so let's take a look at the multiplications number 5. Okay, so Emma, could you please read the question for me?
There are 40 eggs in 2 baskets altogether. If 5 eggs are transferred from the first to the second basket, the first basket will have 2 more eggs than the second one. How many eggs are in the second basket at first?
Okay, so I'm going to hit the pause and let you try it to yourself, okay? So there are altogether 40 eggs in 2 baskets altogether, right? So we're going to have one basket and another basket, right? Emma, so one basket A and basket B.
And basket B.
Okay, so altogether A plus B equals 40, right?
Yeah.
So if 5 eggs are transferred from the A to B, so that means B, so this is original. So the second step is A minus 5
and then B plus 5,
right? Okay, the first basket will have 2 more eggs than the second one. 也就是说 after the first egg, the basket A, give it to basket B, basket A still have 2 more than basket A. So if we draw the thing is, this is basket A, second step. This is basket B, second step. So basket A is what? Oh my God, I cannot draw. Is having 2 more than basket B, right? So they all having the same basket, correct? So for the second one. But how do we get this one? Is A minus 5. So we need to put this 5 back because we're not doing the first one. So the original one, right? And basket B need to minus 5, right? So no matter they're plus or minus, the total still equals what?
Equals 40.
Okay, so we're gonna say, so the original A, sorry, I'm just going to click all of them. So original A has A basket, A eggs, and minus 5, okay, equals basket B plus 5 plus 2. Because this is the basket B have later, this is a basket A have later, and basket A still is 2 more than basket B, right? So that means A minus 5 equals B plus 7. So A equals what? A equals B plus 12. Okay, so that means we have a B basket and we have A as B plus 12. So altogether they have what? 40 eggs. So 40 minus 12 equals 28. So B has how many? 14.
B has 14.
A has?
A has
26. Okay, so let's see. Let's verify if it is right. So 14 plus 5 equals what? Equals 19. And 26, give it 5 to the basket B, equals 21. But at this moment, A still have 2 more than the basket B. Correct? So we did the right thing. Okay, so let's just do it from the very beginning, is how to use the box method. So we know after A gave 5 to B, A is still 2 more than B, so A must be bigger than B or smaller than B. Must be bigger than B at the very beginning. So that means if I write as this is A, this is B. Right? So we take a look at this one is if we give A 5 to B. So A minus 5, this is 5, and B?
B plus 5.
B plus 5. And A still have, sorry, I need to do a little bit more. So looks more reasonable.
Mm.
So this is a little bit more than that. Ah, no.
Oh no.
So this is 5x.
Mm-hmm.
A give it to B. So A is 5 less and B is 5 more. Correct? And at this moment, A still have 2 more than B. So that means what? This is 2. Okay? So A has 5 left. So this one is gone. So this one is gone. There's no more. So that means for now on, this red part, Emma,
Mm-hmm.
plus the green part equals what? The
40.
red part is very good, still 40. But you can see if we draw a line here, these two is actually the same. Only this 2 is being more. So we can do 40 minus 2 first, equals 38. And
38.
38 divided by 2, we know this box equals 19 and this box equals 19. Right? So that means originally B has how many? This is original B, right? B has 19 eggs. So how many eggs does original A has? It's 19 plus 2
Plus
plus
2 plus
5 equals
or
20,
26.
26.
Mm.
Hmm? No? Oh, no, no. 19 is, sorry, 19 is plus 5 equals 19. So B is 19 minus 5 equals 14. I'm sorry. Okay, because see, you see there's a line here. Okay, but original B is here. So this one, the boxes equals 19 is this guy. So 19 minus 5 equals 14. Get it, Emma? Okay,
Yeah.
so let's take a look at number 2. Okay, so number 2, could you please read the question for me? Ah, 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 ah.
Um,
Yeah, sorry. Yes, number 2.
right. Some sparrows are perching on 2 branches of a tree. There were 5 more sparrows on the first branch at first. Then 4 sparrows flew from the first branch to the second one. Which
Uh-huh.
branch of the tree would have more sparrows?
Uh-huh.
I mean,
How many more sparrows were there? Okay, so I'm going to hit the pause and let you try to do yourself. Okay, Emma? I'm going to, let's take a look at this one. Emma, could you please explain it to us how you did it? Okay?
so I basically did because I can't just make it up in my head. I have to draw it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Very good.
draw 2 branches,
Mm-hmm.
which are very ugly. Um, so I imagine because I like things simple. So some sparrows are. It doesn't say how much we have to do. So I made this one. There's 0
Mm-hmm.
sparrows on there and 5 sparrows on this one.
Mm-hmm.
So and 4 sparrows flew from the first branch to the second one. So
Mm-hmm.
this then goes to 4, and this one then goes to 1.
Mm-hmm. So some was perching on 2 branches of the tree,
Yeah.
right? 5 more sparrows on the first branch at first. 也就是说, if at the very beginning there are all the sparrows in the on the B, we have the A and B, okay, is in a box, and anything on the A is having the box and plus 5. Correct?
Oh, so my box
Right?
would.
Is it true? Because they said there are 5 more sparrows on the first branch at the first. So compare with the second one, right? So we can just put them A and B. Then 4 sparrows flew from first to the second. So
Okay.
minus 4 and plus 4. Correct?
Uh, so is it like, can this box, the A
Uh-huh.
box and B box, be 1?
No, A box and B box, they're the same, right? The box of the sparrow in the box is the same, right? So they're the
Yeah. So
same box. So you take a look at this one. A right now has how many? Is the box and plus 1,
plus
1 sparrow. And B is a box plus 4. So who has more?
1. B box.
Of course, B box having the more sparrows. And how many more sparrows were there? You're just using B minus
Yeah.
A
3 more.
equals what?
3
A box plus 4
plus 4
minus a
and
box
box
plus 1.
plus 1.
equals what? This one, the box minus box is gone. And 4 minus 1 equals what? 3.
3.
So there are 3 more sparrows over there. Get it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're still using the box technology, okay? So let's take a look at the last one is Mr. Bronze are having a competition of eating dumplings. Perry has finished 9 of them. Grandma has finished 3 times as many as Perry's. The dumpling mom have is 5 times as Perry's. Oh my god, they all eat so much.
Oh my god.
Daddy, Mr. Brown has finished the sum of grandma and mommy's dumpling. Wow, 这个 daddy 好能吃啊. So how
Look at
many
that.
dumplings does Mr. Brown have? Okay, I'm going to hit the post because wow, he must eat a lot. So I'm going to hit the post and let you try to do yourself, okay? So let's just take a look at this one. Mr. Brown's having a competition eating dumplings. What that means? 他们就家里面开始比赛，对不对？ They're having competition.
Mm-hmm.
So Perry is, I think, is a baby, right? So has
Yeah.
9 dumplings.
Still really good for me.
Grandma has finished 3 times as many as Perry's. So
Daniel.
how many dumplings does grandma eat?
27.
Very good. 9 times 3 equals 27 dumplings, right?
Yeah.
So the dumpling mommy have is 5 times as Perry. So mom has how many?
Mom has 45.
Very good. 9 times 5 equals 45.
Mm-hmm.
So daddy finished the sum of grandma and mom's dumplings. So what does sum mean? That means putting mommy and
And
grandma's
grandma
dumplings
together,
together.
which
So
is
daddy equals grandma plus mommy equals 27
7
plus
plus
45
45, which equals
equals,
to 72.
wow. So how many dumplings Mr. Brown have?
70.
72. So if we want to know altogether how many dumplings they have altogether equals what? Equals 9 plus
72 plus
27 plus
45.
45 plus 72. But there's another way of doing that. Perry eat 1 portion. Grandma is 3 times of Perry, so grandma is 3 portions. And
And
mommy is 5
portion.
portions.
And then
And
you can make
daddy,
5 plus 3,
very good.
which equals to 8 portions.
8 portions. So
Oh,
I can just plus their portions together.
so 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8,
Equals
which equals
17 portions.
portions.
Okay,
Which
so
is
1 portion equals 9. All we need to do is 9 times 17 equals
153.
153.
Oh my.
153 dumplings.
Imagine
Okay,
we're
because when we are calculating 4 times plus together, it's going to be complicated and it is very easy to make mistakes. But if you think that way, you're just doing one calculations, which is 9 times 17, though it is a 2-digit times 1 digit, but actually it will help you to eliminate the probability of making mistakes. Okay, so this is the questions of today. Okay, and Emma, I think we did a very good job, and I really like your help, and I hope next time you can help me again. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's class, and we're going to see each other next time. Bye bye, Emma. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.